Some students study in their boarding house, others prefer a cafe. But does your study actually affect how well you learn? Today, we'll look at how study environment shapes student learning behavior and why this matters more than most people think. The first issue is distraction. In boarding house, students deal with noise from neighbor rooms, phone notification, and the difficulty focusing in a space also used for sleeping and relaxing. In cafe, background music, surrounding conversation, and constant movement compete for attention.
Okay, the next question is, what distraction do you most often face when you study in cafes?
Well, mostly the distraction is the people because I don't really like crowded places when I'm studying. I like more quiet, more place that I can be more focused on.
Kalau hal yang cukup mengganggu buat aku belajar itu biasanya sosmed ya, kayak IG, TikTok itu cukup mengganggu buat aku belajar.
What makes this a social issue is the choice of where to study often reflect peer habit and economic condition, not just personal preference. Students who lack access to better study facilities have to work with whatever space is available, distraction and all.
The second issue is comfort, both physical and psychological. A boarding house offers privacy and familiarity, but its relaxed atmosphere can lower motivation and blur the line between rest and study. A cafe feels more dynamic and can push students to stay productive, but it also brings pressure, the expectation to keep spending, or simply the stress of studying in a public space.
How you can keep yourself focused and productive when studying in your boarding house?
Biasanya aku biar tetap fokus menyelesaikan hal lain dulu, setelah itu baru aku belajar dan jadi lebih produktif sih.
Importantly, not all students experience this space the same way. Economic background, gender, and social norms all shape how comfortable a student actually feel, making comfort not just a personal feelings, but a sociological one.
Did anyone or anything influence to choose your study place, or friends or financial?
Well, of course, because my college friend, they always invited me to go to the cafe or maybe in library, but most of my friends only invited me to the cafe because they say like it gives more comfort, it gives more social. I think it's really from my friends mostly.
Where we study is more than just a personal choice. It is shaped by our social environment and it shapes our learning in return. So where should you study? The answer is not as simple as choosing between a course or cafe. What this topic shows us is that the environment we study is in more than just a backdrop. It actively shapes how we focus and how we learn.
Well, for these past semesters, it affected me so much because it gives me more, my academic is much more higher. It gives me great scores, especially also my social. It gives me more confident about doing my assignment very perfectly. So I think it's really affected me a lot.
Cukup efektif sih, sama sesuai dengan kenyamanan aku juga.
A 2026 study by Danuarta and Fadila found that although 19.3% of students studied most often in their boarding house, the boarding house only ranked second in measured effectiveness, cafes ranked the lowest. It is confirming that external distraction are a major barrier to concentration. This gap between where students choose to study and where they study most effectively is exactly what this topic is trying to understand.